900 South Hanley, Unit 10C, continued. We're going to be replacing the tub shower valve. He's replacing all this tile. So we're going to put a new tub shower faucet in for him. The sink is going to replace the cabinet and the faucet. So we'll be installing the faucet, and I recommended since we're doing that, replacing the lead arm from the vertical, and it should be right behind the toilet, possibly a little bit to the left of it, and to the center of the cabinet. Replace the lead arm with PVC. So then we will also put new shutoffs on the faucet and a new master trap. And that's all in here. And I will give them an option on replacing the waste and overflow as well.